Hi, today I'm making a 3 flavored pound cake. Thanksgiving's coming, and of course, a pound cake is in order. So I have a cup and a half of sweet cream butter, 3 cups of granulated sugar, and 3 cups of sifted flour. I like Swan's down cake flour. I like to actually sift it one more time before I add it to the cake. It's going to be an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, 6 eggs, and both of these are room temperature as well as the butter. And so we're going to cream our butter and our sugar together first. So we will add a little sugar and the butter and then just continually add until the sugar is all completely combined. Next, we're going to add our flavoring. So we've got 3 different kinds of extracts here. We have almond, rum, and vanilla, and those are our 3 flavors. Next, you want to add your room temperature eggs one at a time and just mix gently. You don't want to overmix this. Scrape the sides of the bowl as you need, and then you will begin to add the flour to the batter mixture, and you'll do it a little bit at a time. And I know it takes a little practice to know when to mix and when not to, but just add the flour a little bit at a time. Mix, add the flour. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 325 degrees. You're going to transfer your batter into a prepared cake pan with Baker's Joy. You all have heard my saga. It's important to use Baker's Joy if you want your cakes to come out right. And it should look like, like this, like kind of, you could take it in a spoon and drop it into the pound cake pan. And it's going to cook for about an hour and 20 to 25 minutes. You'll take a toothpick and test it. If it comes out clean, it's done. And you'll let it cool. It'll look like this for about 5 minutes, and then you can turn it over and serve it. Once it's completely cooled, you can add powdered sugar or glaze. I tend to like to add powdered sugar because it doesn't add or take away from the cake too much. So that's a 3 flavored pound cake.